just opening something. ASMR. Hi guys, today we are making a new testing video. We are gonna test some new makeup and I'm super excited to just open those boxes because it's super satisfying for me to do that and to try new makeup. And also I like to do like videos in which I will show you how to do a beautiful makeup for cheap. So let's jump in. So as always, we're gonna start with a face cream that I will apply on my face. My bangs are going in the not right way. This made no sense, but I honestly love this face cream because it like makes a nice grip for your foundation to stick on. And a thing that I don't think I explained before is that I never use primers, because I had primers but I still prefer to use like face creams because I don't really feel a big difference between a face cream and a primer, honestly, if it's a good face cream. If you are in the search of a good highlighter and you don't want to spend like a lot of money on it, and I believe you because I don't want to spend like too much on makeup. So if you don't want to get another highlighter for, I don't know, 50 euros or something, just go and buy this one, Revolution Skin Kiss Golden Kiss. And believe me, it's the greatest dupe for the balm and for much more highlighters. So go and get this one, you won't regret it, believe me. I'm not sponsored to say this, so you can trust me. I will put a little bit of pink eyeshadow here. I just love Makeup Revolution products because, I don't know, they make like really great products for cheap, honestly. Even now I'm using a palette from them, but it's a little bit shattered. I took it everywhere with me, so the packet just broke a little bit. Here it is. It's the Neutrals too. It's very cheap and it's pigmented. I mean, for the price you pay for this, you can't even like argue with them because of anything. This product is too good. And again, I'm not sponsored to say this. It's just my personal opinion. I paid for this with my own money, so it's unboxing time. It's delicious, it's satisfying, it's ASMR. So let's go. First we have a liquid pencil liner here, so let's unbox this. I love this sound of just opening something. So let's see. Oh, looks nice. Looks just like the other one that I had. Let's do the eyeliner now. Oh my god, I can't believe this. It's actually great. It's an eyeliner that I will continue to buy, honestly, because I like it. And I mean, who doesn't like cheap things? Keep in mind a thing. A makeup artist can do art. I mean, a really good makeup artist can do art from everything, like even from fruits. So if you are interested in doing makeup and you are like a makeup addict and you are afraid that you won't be able to do it without like expensive products, you are wrong. Just go and buy every product that you find, honestly, and just experiment with this and you will do great. You will rock it, girl. It's great. It's like the best. Honestly, even the tip is really good in this. I will continue to buy this, honestly. Don't stay and wait till you will be able to buy only expensive products, because you know, if you are buying like cheaper products and you just get used to using them, it will be like a child play when you are using an expensive one. So now let's go. We have a mascara here. I'm curious on this one, honestly. I'm curious about the brush in this ASMR. I hate that I have such long nails sometimes. Package is cute. Let's try it. But first, let me do the eyelashes first. My favorite part. Oh my god, I'm so excited on this one. I want to see how this mascara looks. So the brush is normal. I mean, kind of a generic one. So let's see what we can do with this. Not bad. Actually, looks really nice. The only thing that I don't really like it right now is that I love my eyelashes to be a little bit more like a little bit to the point that they are looking a little bit clumpy. Makes them long, but they are not clumping. But let's try to put more layers to see. So on this eye we did 2 coats and this one is 1 coat. So at this point I don't really know if my eyelashes here are a little bit longer than these, but this looks longer and this is just 1 coat here. I'm sorry, but this one is a no for me because I don't like it. I like my mascara to be like full and to really see my eyelashes, and now you can't really see them. But if you're like a more natural look and you just wanna put a little bit of mascara and just go out, you can buy this one. But I promise that in the next videos I will find one that it will clump the eyelashes as I like. But this one gets like a 5 for me. Now let's do the brows. Bushy brows. So this one is also a cheap soap brow. I can give you a much better option. You can buy a base soap from a natural store, and I promise and I swear it will work just the same as this one. There is nothing like really added in this that makes a big difference or something. It's the same, but keep in mind to just buy a clear soap, that transparent, not the white one, because if you buy a white one you will end up with the foam and the white foam, and it will look terrible, promise, because I tried this. So I have another product from them, I mean from that shop that I went to buy all of these products. I swear this is my favorite lipstick right now. Even the color is my go-to, and all I can say is that it's really matte and it stays on your lips. I mean, like a regular lipstick, but it's cheap. And for this cheap, it's really worth it, believe me. So now we will put this thing, which is also from there. Ah, my lips are bigger. Put the lipstick. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this color. I can't tell you how much because it's too much to express. It's so nice. I mean, this color is too pretty. So let me put my hair down. So that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope you like the makeup, and don't be shy to let me in the comments. I mean, some challenges, or maybe some type of videos that you want to see, or some makeup, or just makeup trends that you want me to try, because I will try them. So I will let you now, guys, because I will go and kiss my boyfriend. So bye bye, have a great day.